Here is a beautiful meditation technique that you can use to better access your innocence, purity, your intuition, and a sense of relaxation and calm. It uses the water element and a sound or a mantra that sounds like water. Here's how it works. Make the sound Wah, W-A-H, Wah, but form it as if it's the sound of water dropping. Wah, Wah, Wah. Then close your eyes and imagine that water is dropping, a single drop of water, and make that sound, Wah, Wah. And repeat this. Hold that image inside of you, visually. Create that sound through this mantra, through this Wah. And make that vibration between the visual and the auditory, between the sound and what you visually imagine. Make them one experience. If you can do this for several minutes, you'll begin to feel something remarkable happening within you. A new kind of a calm, a kind of inner harmony, and a wonderful connection with your intuitive self. You have intuition and intelligence. With your intelligence, you're well informed. With your intuition, you're always one step ahead. If you're missing either one, you lose. So with this meditation, you're always one step ahead, and it's very pleasant to do. Wah, Wah, Wah. Try it for a minute. Try it for 3 minutes. Do it for 11 minutes. Sit and relax.